All right, so here are the notes for 3.4 where we figure out if it is a function or if it is not a function. So let's write out some notes. First things first, to figure out if a graph is a function or not, we need to use the vertical line test. And basically what that is we take an up and down line and drag it across our graph. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and have it straight up and down on your paper. Then you're going to move the pencil from left to right, just like how we read a graph. Now, step 3 is how you determine if it's a function or not. So if the pencil touches the graph only once, which means, okay, what this means is there's only one y value, okay? So if it touches the graph only once, then from left to right, it is a function. Yell that at yourself. Option 2, if the up and down vertical line touches the graph more than once, which means more than one y value from left to right, then it is not a function. So let's do some examples here. So I'm going to draw an up and down line that's going to represent my pencil, and I'm going to do it in purple. Straight up and down, just like how this line's drawn. That's how your pencil should be. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this. Now, right here, starting at the circle is the graph, the stuff that's drawn, not the coordinate planes. So not this line here, not this line here. We're looking at the stuff that's drawn, okay? The stuff that's drawn, not the coordinate plane. So you're looking at the stuff that's drawn. So right now, this line is only touching the graph once. But as I move it, you can see now it's touching the graph twice. And it's touching the graph twice at these two locations, that vertical line. That vertical line is for the vertical line test. This means, so it touches more than once. It is not a function. So let's do this again. So taking this line, starting on the left, touching it once, touching the graph once, touching that diagonal line once, one time, right here it's once, right here it's touching once, right here it's touching once. So it's touching once the whole time. That means, yes, it is a function. Okay, so looking at 3, starting on the left, right here it's touching my line right here one time. One time just here, one time just here, one time here, one time, one time, one time, one time. Only touched once the whole time. Therefore, yes, it is a function. All right, looking at 4. So let me reiterate before we go to 4. If it touches the graph only once, that means there's only one y value. If it touches more than once, that means it's more than one y value. So looking at this next one. So get ready to start. Right here, my vertical line, technically, from what I hear students say, is only touching this graph one time. However, even though it's only touching that one time, look at how many y values it has. Look at all those y values. It's got 6. We can't have more than 6, right? This means more than 1. That means it is not a function. And there's the bell. Let's do that vertical line test again. Only touching once. Therefore, it is a function. Do that vertical line test again. Here, right away, it's touching twice at this spot and at this spot. So there it's not a function. All right, you have 8 homework problems to do. Good luck. Have a good day.